And guys, kain tayo at Cafe de Coral. Ayan. Treat by Ate Marilyn sa jewelry shop. Ayan. Kain tayo with Ate Marina. Chicken. Tapos may egg tart. Sweet and sour pork. At saka fish fillet with corn. Saka soup. Ayan guys. Kain tayo pag may time. Nanalo kasi si Ate Marina kaya niyaya kami mag-dinner. Kaya tara! Kain tayo guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share my vlog. Masarap yung